Hi beautiful people, this is Harmeet Kaur from Divine Healing. This video is regarding what are you currently attracting in your life, and it's a timeless guidance. Whenever you see this video, it will be applicable for you. So what you need to do, just close your eyes, centralize yourself and take 2-3 deep breath and just call upon the angels wholeheartedly to help you attract uh, something good and what you desire into your life. So even you can pause the video if you need some time to do so, and as you open your eyes, see which cards attract you. This is what you would be attracting in your life, or if you wish to attract, just call upon the angels with faith and put an intention into the universe that you want to attract uh, whatever comes up for you. And the law of attraction works just not on intending, but also you need to vibrate at that frequency so that you can attract the thing you desire into your life. And how can that be possible? That can be only possible by being positive and working towards the goal you desire to achieve. And definitely angels can help you out. For that you need to call upon them, because they are beautiful beings, but they never enter into anybody's life until and unless you call them wholeheartedly. And if you call them wholeheartedly, I assure you they'll be definitely by your side whenever you call them with faith. And now let's see what message each card has in store for you. The person who has chosen the left card, the message for them is wow, opportunities. So at this point of time, you might be attracting opportunities into your life, and opportunities are coming your way. When the opportunities are coming your way, just try to materialize them, and for that, definitely you need to be very aware and be open to receive those opportunities. And definitely to materialize those opportunities, you need to work hard and work towards it. And if you need the help of angels, just call upon them, and they'll help you to materialize those opportunities. The second guidance is for the person who has chosen the middle card is abundance. So you are attracting abundance into your life, and such a beautiful message. Abundance can be in any form, it's not necessary abundance means only in the materialist form. It can be in any form. It can be abundance of good people around you, abundance in your relationship, abundance of course in your work, in your money, abundance in the friends you have around, abundance in the luxuries you are having at this point of time. And if at this point of time, if you have a lack of abundance, just try to be very positive about it. And as I said before, also law of attraction works on just not affirming anything, but we need to vibrate on that frequency. Even if we are in a lack of something, we need to suppose and imagine that we have already achieved or already having what we desire in our life. And if we do so, you will definitely able to attract abundance into your life, and you can definitely call upon the angels to help you out to attract abundance in your life. And let's see what the people who have chosen the right card, side card. Success. Wow, success is coming in your life. It could be the success can be in any area of life. It can be related to work, it can be related to some friendship, it can be related to success in a marriage, in a relationship. So definitely you are attracting success in your life. And at this point of time, if you are not able to attract success and you wish to attract success again, you need to believe that you can achieve it and start visualizing it, that you have already achieved success in whatever you desire. And definitely you can call upon the you can call upon the angels to help you out with this. So these were the three beautiful guidances. And if you like the video, please like it, And if you've not subscribed the channel, you can definitely like and subscribe the channel, and also hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload the next video, you get a notification about it. For any personalized session, you can contact me through my WhatsApp number 9837770092. And who I am, I'm a tarot angel and a Lenormand card reader, a crystal and an angel therapist, and a number therapist. And I give remedies also through crystal and numbers and angelic healings. So if you want to book any paid sessions, you can definitely contact me. And all the links to my social media accounts and all the charges of the services I provide is given in the link of the video in the description box. And even there is a wish list of decks, and if you wish to gift my channel any deck, you can definitely go forward and gift it to the channel. So thank you so much, and stay tuned for the next video.